Okay, so this is officially the last video of 2021, and let's rewind and get a gratitude list. Even though there were a lot of things that were not in our hand, like the pandemic situation, but I'm extremely grateful that I worked on my YouTube channel this year, and you guys have been absolute support, and I'm grateful for each and everyone watching this video right now, or even if you've watched any of my video, even a part of my video in the past or sometime. I'm absolutely grateful for you guys. What's up my loves, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, you can find styling, hair care, skincare, fun, entertainment in this channel, and you can also check me out on my Instagram account. You can text me over there as well because I'm always available for you guys. Also, I'm creating like a lot of reels and stuff like that, a lot of like jewelry pieces, some footwear, some handbags and stuff like that, all for the wedding season, because we know that there are a lot of wedding going on, and I don't think so there's any other better place to shop for these items other than Flipkart. I feel like it is the best value for money platform with 10 lakhs plus styles starting at rupees 199. You can also shop in your vernacular languages. Also, they have latest selections with influential styles that are refreshed weekly, and also they have wide variety of selections with great quality, genuine international brands, and these brands are Flipkart assured and go through 6 quality checks. You also have easy refund, return and exchange, and 48-hour delivery. I mean, ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना बन गया है ये इंडिया का fashion capital. Yes guys, you can shop the wedding collection with up to 80% off. So let's start with something that I've never brought to my channel, which are juttis. Okay, like I've talked about the footwears but not juttis, and absolutely gorgeous multicolored juttis. These are like the Rajasthani sort of print. I think so Jaipuri sort of a print that you have over here. I love the multicolor work, and obviously these tassels sort of a thing, and they also have ghungru. Can you hear? They also have ghungru and all these tassels, which are just so pretty. And the fact that they are multicolored, they can go with anything that you want. So I love the style, and also I love that it has beige work with it, like beige color along with it. Like the pattern is also there here in the sole area, which is a really nice thing. I got this one in the size UK 7, which would be Euro 40, I guess, on the website. You need to make sure that you look at the size chart properly and then go ahead with your size. Okay, and this one is so freaking cheap, just for 217 rupees, which is not even a joke. Like, so I've got this very beautiful mirror work wala jutti, where you have this mirror work also with stones and everything, but at the same time it's like such a beautiful piece. And the color options in this one are so beautiful, pastels and soft colors. Like, I just love the color range of this one. Finishing and everything again is very gorgeous, and I love the look of this one. If you really want to buy something specific to your dress or something like that, you can definitely go for this one. Again, this one is for only 243 rupees, and the color combinations that you can get is like blue color, like green color, like a sea green color, and also you have white and yellow. And I'm a fan of mirror work, whether it comes to like bangles or neck pieces or anything like that, or even the kurti when they have like mirror work. It looks so beautiful and gorgeous. Let's look at some neck pieces and jewelry pieces, because on the jewelry set, bangles, Mangal Sutra and stuff like that, you can get minimum 75% off. So I've got it from that section. This is the piece that I've got. This one is from Fezam collection, if I'm not wrong, and this comes with a beautiful earring. Like, can you see? The earrings are so pretty and cute. I love the silver work, like the oxidized silver sort of work with the maroon color. I'm a fan of this maroon color with this combination of white pearls. And also iske jhumke bahut zyada bade nahi hai, which is a very good thing. Like, my mother does not like to have like very heavy jewelry. Let's see this piece. Like, the neck piece is also very pretty. The detailing has been done with so much of finishing. Also, you have this rope thread sort of a thing that you can tie up and everything, so it is also very comfortable to wear and to put on. I tell you, I got this one for 249 rupees only. Like, the next jewelry piece that I have to get to you guys is going to be this brass sort of work, enamel thingy, the green and red color ka combination in the enamel thingy that they have. I love this color combination. It is a choker sort of style. The previous one was also a choker sort of style. Again, the earring for this one is again very lightweight. I'm so happy I chose the pieces that had earrings which were not very heavy. 289 rupees, again a very feasible, like very nice price. Previously showed one of the clutches that were like a golden sort of a color. This time I got this one like in a different shape, like a rectangular, like a shape. And this one I got in the black color with golden embroidery. The embroidery is also done very beautifully. Again, the finishing is really nice, and I love the detailing of the embroidery, as well as you have this sort of a buckle sort of a thing, and then you have this dangling sort of a thing. You have this black color combination, and also you can get it in any other color, like golden color is there, like a sort of silver color is also there. So if you're not looking for those clutch wala, like those hard cover clutches, you can also go for this, because there is a soft cover sort of a clutch, so you can easily use this and wear it like this. Or also you can use the chains to use it like a side bag or something like that, which I am so happy, because you cannot hold it all the time, right? You have this magnet button sort of attachment over here, and then you have this capacity is also pretty good, like you can put in your phones and wallets and even some lipstick or even like a pocket perfume. I got this one for rupees 198, and in case you did not know, on the clutches and handbags on Flipkart you can get minimum 60% off. Beautiful minimal piece of bracelet that I've got. Like, this bracelet is the first time that I've shopped from Flipkart, and can you see, it's so minimal, it's so pretty. Like, I love the minimal sort of thing over here, and then it has like green stone used in this. I don't know if they have like color combination other than this, but this is like a silver alloy work with this green stones, and I loved. As you can see, this is sort of like loose over here, but you can definitely go and get it fixed somewhere. All you have to do is just take out one bead from here, like this one stone from here, and then it will be fixed. Like, ये बहुत easily fixed हो जाता है. They usually give it like a free size so that a lot of people can use it, because everybody has like different sizes and everything. This is not only about the ethnic clothes. This can be worn anytime that you want, even in a like an evening gown or something like that. If you pop this one, it will look so elegant and so nice. And this one I got for 464 rupees. Since all of these were like heavy things, I've got two like very minimal sort of piece, like if you don't want to like do a lot or something like that. So I have these sort of a dangling earring over here. I know these are like very easily available, but this one over here has a very good finishing. Popped up on any kind of kurti or any type of look. Even this will work so beautifully for like a formal look. For example, if you're going to some job and you have like an ethnic day or something like that, and that moment also you can pop this one up. It looks very minimal, it looks girly, at the same time it looks ethnic. Sometimes ethnic can be like really heavy and bold, but this is more into the girly side of the ethnic look, if you know what I mean. 198 or something like that. This is also a very cheap rate. And this one also you can get like a different color of stones, like green stone or a yellow stone and stuff like that. So बहुत सारे combinations भी है इसमें. All of the pieces are like literally so affordable. I mean, Flipkart really does stand by the fact that वो ऐसे ही नहीं बन गया है इंडिया का fashion capital, and that is like really true. Again, I got this hoop over here, like hoop earrings, like really tiny hoop earrings. This is not necessarily for your ethnic look, but I just happened to look at it and it was so cute and so beautiful that I had to get this one. Like, hoop earrings right now are so on trend, and I'm absolutely looking for this braided sort of style, this chain sort of style over here. Very good quality and very cheap. Again, this one is only for 195 rupees or something like that. So with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more such videos, then do comment that down below. And again, like a happy new year to you guys. Enjoy and party hard and don't harm yourself. And also do take care. Please wear a mask and everything. Like, even I'm not planning to go out in a crowded area this time, because you need to take care of yourself. And okay, bye bye.